Hello guys, this particular video is for those that want to participate in this US meme coin under hot, that's US meme. So as you can see right here, you are seeing I'm not eligible, you are not eligible, condition for round 2. So how do you do this? What are the requirements? So this is what I want to show you guys. So what do you need? So first of all, let me show you. You can see at the very at the top, you can see octopus. Once you click on that octopus, what you need on the first achievement, that's the holders, you need level 3. If I click on it, that's a 1, 2, 3, level 3. They say stake 20 USD on Burrow. Then you also need at the very last, which is the winner, you need to have hold 5 you won old 5 you won. So how do you go through this now? So let me put you guys through on how you can do this. So what you need to do right now is first thing you need to do, they said you should stake on 20 USDT. So first of all, you need to convert near to USDT. You need to swap. So you can do that inside this hot mining app. So I'm clicking on near, I'm clicking on swap. So I need 20 USDT. So let me see how many near will give me 20 USDT. It's 14. Let me try 3 near. It's 21.47. Let me just try 2.9. So 2.9 will give you $20.75 USDT. So let me click on review and click on swap. So it might take a little while. So you guys, you have to be patient. So while the swapping is ongoing. So let me remind you that this is the round 2, because the round 1, like, I was not able to afford that because it's over $547. You can see right here, you have swapped successfully 2.9 year to 20.7 USDT. So you click on done, then you go back, then you go back. Then I said the next one, now you need to hold 5 you won, 5 you won. So you still click on the near again, then you click on swap, then you change this from this very top like this, you change it from the USDT to yuan. So this is the yuan right here. Yuan is currently $4 $0.16. So you click on it. So they say you need 5 yuan. So how many, okay, let me type on 3 near, let me see how many you give me. So 3 near will give me um 3 near will give me 2.7. So I'm using the maximum. So now it will give me 19.9 USDT. That's if I'm using the maximum they're available here. So I do have 1 USDT on my account before now. So let me just click on review. No, is you one I need to change to no USDT. So as that's when I'm making this swap, 3 near is currently worth 5 yuan. 3 near is currently worth 5 yuan. So you click on review, then you click on swap. So, like I said before, it's going to take a little while. So you just have to be patient with the swapping system. All right. So you've successfully swapped 3 near to 5 you won. So let's go back to, like, let's verify if the USDT actually swapped the first time. I don't like, let me confirm it. Let me go back here, click on claim now, and to open the system. So if everything is there, you get to see it. Okay. Zero. You guys need to load fast. Okay, so yes, we're done with that. So we have the 20 USDT and 5 yuan currently now. So how do you participate on this particular hotspot? This is a US meme to be eligible. As you can see right here, it's still showing you are not eligible. So let's still go back to the home screen. So at the very top, the octopus where you can see here. So this is where you see your level, your achievements. So I'm clicking on the octopus. So like I said in the first time, the achievements, once you are at the holders, you click on level 3. Under holders level 3, you click on holders. Then you see stake a 20 USD on borrow. So you click on open stake screen. Then you type the 20 USDT here. So they said APY any per year 24.22%, withdraw delay instantly, service provider borrow. So click on next, confirm. So these are to stake it. So the next, because we already qualified for the other one that asks us to hold 5 U1, hold 5 U1. So at the beginning, you will notice that let me use the video. Okay, staked, done. So at the beginning, you we notice that under the winner, the first level, like it was not on yellow, it was just like this blank screen. So but right now you can see it is showing yellow right now. So the winner hold 5 U1. So which is on yellow, meaning that you hold 5 U1 currently, as you can see right here. Stake 20 USDT. So balance USDT is at the bottom. Then you want to hold 5 of it, which is worth $21. So now you are going to move over to back to this click on apps. Then you click on Hotpad open. Then you click on Usmeme explore. So now you can see right here now that everything is not ticking. Like I've qualified. They say whitelist for buy, condition for round 2. So next thing you are going to do is to click on register to be eligible. So right now you can see the whole thing changed now. You are eligible. So this is how to go through it. All right. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and do turn off the bell notification. And also I'll be dropping my WhatsApp link and also my Telegram page. So if you like to join us and get more updates about airdrop and other things, so kindly follow. See you guys on the next video.